Welcome back. Hey everyone, welcome back or to my channel. So today, as you can see, my closet doors have just disappeared. They're gone, they're vanished. Actually, before this, my closet actually got redecorated. My dad and my brother put shelves in yesterday, and then we also repainted it to be completely white, so it looks a lot better now. But I was thinking like maybe I could like record this and like clean my room and everything, because I have a lot of stuff to go through, and like why not just like kill two birds with one stone and do like my chores and like also record a video. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be organizing my closet. I have a lot of clothes, as you can see. It's a lot. So, you know, this is gonna be a really long video. Hopefully. Watch it not be. Watch it be like, watch I over edit everything and then like it's only 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah, let's get into it. So you're wondering why my closet doors have just vanished, you know, they just kind of ran away or something. Well, I'm actually gonna get mirrored closets this weekend, so that's why we're just gonna keep it open. Hopefully the monsters don't come and like play, you know, like Monsters Inc. Like I don't want to deal with that right now. So let's just like hope that doesn't happen. And yeah, basically I have a lot of space. Okay, wait, I need to show you like, these are all my clothes, but like I hoard so much other stuff. Like I hoard my toys. I need to show you. If you guys don't know, I actually am addicted to Webkinz, and I used to love Webkinz. Like I was that girl who literally had 100. Like me and my brother had like both 50 Webkinz, and we shared them. And I literally one time got in trouble for hacking into my brother's account and using his coins. So basically, these Webkinz, I would buy them in stores. I don't really know where. Actually, I don't think they had it at Toys R Us. I think they just had it like, dude, I don't even know where I got these, but they're cool. And then you basically get like this tag. I don't have any of those, I think, but you get these tags on them too, and it comes with a tag, and you're able to open it when you get home because it's like closed or something. And then you go onto your Webkinz account and you log, like you put in the code, and then you get like another animal, and you're able to play with like a bunch. I had a shopping addiction last year in 2019, so basically retail therapy really helped my 2019 just be amazing. I'm gonna start on just like organizing it more better. Also, I use these like I use these hangers, these velvet hangers with like everything, because it matches more. As you can see, it's all the same hanger because I like it. And then I'm gonna probably use these. I use these black ones for now. I'm probably gonna get like velvet ones like these, like probably on Amazon. But these are for like my shorts or tube tops or skirts. Guys, ready? Timeless mode. Woo! Okay, I don't know how to jump. So. So actually, I'm gonna go and try to steal more of the velvet hangers because I don't have enough, and I just need some more because I am gonna be buying some more stuff. So, you know, comment if you want another haul. I did find a lot of these. Look how many I have. Like, hi. Right here. I'm recording.
No, I need it.
No.
Yeah. I'm about to beat this bitch up.
While Sammy was using my tripod, I basically tried on a bunch of more clothes, and I was just like, you know what? Like I picked on the clothes that I don't really wear a lot, and I just pretty much threw all of them in that pile. Because cleaning closet tip is that if you don't wear it, like just be honest with yourself. If you really don't need it, donate it, you know what I'm saying? Like, donate it. Of course, I do have a lot more clothes. Here we have shirts, like, I don't know. I literally only wear these like 7 shirts. So that's why I'm like, you know, I'm getting rid of some stuff. I definitely see potential in a lot of things though, and I really do want to wear those things. So it did keep some stuff that I haven't really worn a lot. And then on this side, as you can see, there's a lot of like t-shirts and everything. These things are just like loungewear shirts. Like, I don't know, after I take a shower, I don't like getting into like my like clothes that I'm gonna wear because I don't get wet, and like while I'm brushing my hair or something, like brushing my wet hair. And then I just also don't like wearing like my old like pajama clothes because I don't like that vibe. It's just like, you already wore this, you know, you sweated in this. Well, you probably didn't sweat in it, but like you wore it and everything. It's just not clean, you know. So that's why I like to grab one of those and then brush my hair after. So I did that a lot. So those are just really handy to have. And then I have 2 more shirts. Of course, I'm gonna organize this more. I'm probably gonna organize it by wrap tops. Finally, my mom told me to put the like tank tops below. I don't know if you can see the tank tops, but there is tank tops over here. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, these are tank tops. I put these lower here so I can put my toys right underneath, like on the ground, like in a bin. And lastly is my skirts. Oh, I have one more skirt, and then I have a lot of tube tops. Well, I did throw away some. I mean, I'm not throwing away them. I'm donating some though because some of them don't fit. Some of them I don't know, didn't really like it. So I'm just gonna, you know, donate it because I never really wore it. I did wear all of these tube tops last summer. I don't know why I'm not wearing tube tops now. I think it's more, I'm just like really insecure to wear a tube top with a bralette now because everyone apparently hates it. So
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Hashtag love the hate. I'm just kidding. No, but generally, like, why does everyone hate it? Like, it's not that trashy. Like, it's just, I don't know, like, it's kind of sad. I don't mean to offend you guys, like, for wearing a bralette with, like, a tube top. This part, make it look a little bit more coordinated. And then I put my necklaces here for now, and then my jeans and stuff like winter pants on top because I'm not gonna use it. And then also my sweatshirts, sweaters, and then I need to get 1 container or so, probably more. And I'll put my swimsuits here. I have to go through my swimsuits. Guys, so I was looking through like my toys and everything, like everything from here, as you can see, just like a bunch of stuff. And look at what I had. Winnie the Pooh. It's my favorite toy. Well, when I was a kid. I will fix that. Don't worry. Don't worry about that.
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Cleaning my room, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I actually want to do a room tour soon. So after I probably get my mirrored closets, I'll probably do a room tour. Bye everyone. Hope you guys all have a great day.